was on Facebook all night to update our customers on the news of Aloha Surf Academy. But I'm gonna have to wake up. We're going on a bold surf trip. We're gonna look for the perfect wave of the day, and the boat is only for us, 7 people on it, one big in the hand, looking for the wave. It's gonna be awesome.
We all go and enjoy the waves.
It's beautiful, really amazing. The water is so clear.
Fortunately, the wave is too big for us today, so only the captain and Alex are going to surf this amazing wave while we're having some fun on the boat.
Experienced surfers, I like to show them the nicest places here and some secret spots. And it's just amazing, go on a sailing boat with your surfboard and jump somewhere in the middle of the ocean and catch some big waves, and that's really nice. It's like perfect.
You'll make it work. You can change
Estaba como yo, un poquito más.
and we will never give it up. Can never lose a point. We never lose a lot, but we will rise up out of the evil done. Rise up, and we will never give it up. Can never lose a point. We never lose a lot, but we will rise up out of the evil dust.
We are back from the boat trip. Tomorrow a new week is going to start, and we are very happy to welcome you to join the Aloha Surf Academy.